Failure is information. Many people see failure as something negative. They feel embarrassed or disappointed when things do not go as planned. However, I believe that failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is information. It shows us what does not work and what needs to change. Without failure, we would not know how to improve. For instance, if I fail or assess, it does not mean that I am incapable. It may simply mean that my method was not effective. By analyzing my mistakes, I can adjust my strategy. Of course, failure can be uncomfortable. No one enjoys making mistakes. Nevertheless, avoiding failure completely also means avoiding growth. Therefore, instead of asking, why did I fail? I try to ask, what can I learn from this? This mindset makes challenges less frightening and more useful. A positive mindset is a skill. Some people think that being positive is a personality trait. They believe that optimistic people are simply born that way. However, I think a positive mindset is a skill that can be developed. A positive mindset does not mean ignoring problems. It means choosing how to respond to them. For example, when facing difficulties, I can either complain or look for solutions. At first, changing my mindset was not easy. I often reacted negatively without thinking. Over time, I learned to pause and ask myself better questions. Instead of focusing only on what went wrong, I try to focus on what I can control. This small shift in attention makes a big difference. In my opinion, positivity is not about pretending everything is perfect. It is about training the mind to see possibilities even in challenging situations. Living better, not perfectly. Many people aim to live a perfect life. They want to achieve success, maintain balance, and avoid mistakes. However, perfection is often unrealistic. Living better does not mean living perfectly. It means making small improvements over time. Even small positive changes can create meaningful results. For example, sleeping slightly earlier or reducing daily stress may seem simple, but these habits improve overall well-being. Consistency matters more than intensity. While it is important to have goals, it is also important to accept imperfection. Nobody performs at their best all the time. Personally, I have learned that progress is more sustainable than perfection. When I focus on being slightly better each day, I feel less pressure and more satisfaction. In the end, a better life is built through realistic effort, not unrealistic expectations.